Hello student, good morning. Myself Sri K.D. Borse sir, biology subject teacher. In previous lecture we learn animal tissue chapter content concept, connective tissue. Connective tissue consists of three different categories. Connective tissue proper, supporting connective tissue also called as skeletal tissue, and fluid connective tissue. Connective tissue proper further divided into two categories: loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue. In loose connective tissue also further divided into areolar connective tissue and adipose connective tissue. Dense connective tissue consists of tendon and ligament. Today we are going to learn some more concept including animal tissue chapter content. Connective tissue contain second type of sub tissue called as supporting connective tissue, also called as skeletal tissue. In that we detail discuss cartilage and bones. We also detail discuss fluid connective tissue is also. So today's first concept, connective tissue. Connective tissue means those tissue which connect internal structure or organs. Such tissue called as connective tissue. Connective tissue connect internal structure or organs. Such tissue called as connective tissue. On the basis of matrix, connective tissue classified into three categories: connective tissue proper, supportive connective tissue or skeletal tissue, and fluid connective tissue. Connective tissue proper further divided into two categories: loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue. In loose connective tissue also further divided into two types: areolar connective tissue and adipose connective tissue. Dense connective tissue also further divided into two categories: ligament and tendon. Today we are going to learn supporting connective tissue or skeletal tissue divided into two categories: cartilage and bones. Also we learn in today's lecture fluid connective tissue, blood and limbs. So let us start today's first concept, supporting connective tissue. Supporting connective tissue, also called as skeletal tissue. It is a type of connective tissue, acts as supporting framework of the body. It is one of the type of connective tissue, acts as supporting framework of the body. Such tissue called as supporting connective tissue or skeletal tissue. It characterized by presence of hard matrix. Supporting connective tissue characterized by presence of hard matrix. It classified into two types: cartilage and bones. We learn first cartilage. What is cartilage? Cartilage is one of the supportive connective tissue, show tough and flexible nature. Cartilage is one of the supporting connective tissue, show tough and flexible nature, form endoskeleton of the large number of vertebrates called as cartilage. What are the characteristics of cartilage? Number one, it is tough flexible skeletal tissue. Cartilage is one of the tough flexible connective tissue. It is softer than the bone, means bone is very hard than the cartilage. So cartilage is softer than the bone. The matrix of the cartilage contain protein called as chondrine. Always remember, chondrine protein present matrix of the cartilage. On the basis of type of matrix, cartilage are four types. On the basis of type of matrix, cartilage are four types: hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, fibrocartilage, and calcified cartilage. Means total four different types of cartilage on the basis of type of matrix: hyaline, elastic, fibro, calcified. We detail discuss one by one. First one is hyaline cartilage. What is hyaline cartilage? Hyaline cartilage is glass like cartilage. Means hyaline is also called as glass, so glass like cartilage. What are the location of hyaline cartilage? Hyaline cartilage are present in ends of the long bones, femur, humerus, radius, ulna, all these long bones end present hyaline cartilage. Also hyaline cartilage located epiglottis, flap of the glottis called as epiglottis. So epiglottis is also hyaline cartilage making material. Trachea contain also hyaline cartilage. Ribs, 12 pairs of ribs present in human body. So ribs ends also present hyaline cartilage. Larynx, sound producing organ. Such sound producing organ contain hyaline cartilage. And hyoid bone, also called as tongue bone, present hyaline cartilage. So here noted all these the different locations of hyaline cartilage: end of long bones, epiglottis, trachea, ribs, larynx, and hyoid. Characteristics of hyaline cartilage: number one, it is elastic, compressible in nature. Hyaline cartilage, elastic and compressible in nature. It's surrounded by perichondrium. It's surrounded by perichondrium covering. See near diagrammatic representation. This is the perichondrium. So perichondrium is outermost covering of hyaline cartilage. Number third, matrix is bluish white and gel. Matrix is bluish white and gel. It contain very fine collagen fibers. Hyaline cartilage contain very fine collagen fibers and chondrocytes. Seen here, these are the chondrocytes. These cells are chondrocyte cells, and in between them very fine fibers are present called as collagen fibers, and chondrocytes are present in hyaline cartilage. What is function of hyaline cartilage? Hyaline cartilage acts as good shock absorber. Also, hyaline cartilage provide flexibility to the organ, tissue, or the part of the body. So main function, hyaline cartilage provide flexibility to the organ, part of the body, organ system. Also acts as good shock absorber. Up to this we detail discuss. Hyaline cartilage is one of the type of cartilage Now we learn second type of cartilage known as elastic cartilage. In elastic cartilage, the located points, its ear lobes show elastic cartilage. Tip of the nose also elastic cartilage. So ear lobes and tip of the nose present elastic cartilage. So this is the location point of view of the elastic cartilage. What are the characteristics of elastic cartilage? Elastic cartilage is surrounded by perichondrium, seen here diagrammatic representation. This is the perichondrium. This part is perichondrium. Below the perichondrium, some cells and fibers like matrix contain elastic fibers. Matrix of the elastic cartilage, these are the matrix of the elastic cartilage, contain elastic fibers. Chondrocytes are few in numbers. In here, chondrocytes means cells of the elastic cartilage contain chondrocytes are few in numbers. Function: give support and maintain shape of the body. Give support and maintain shape of the body, like ear lobe shape maintained by elastic cartilage. Also nose tip maintain or support by elastic cartilage. So up to this we detail discuss. Elastic cartilage is one of the type of cartilage located ear lobes and tip of the nose. Now we learn third type of cartilage known as fibrocartilage. What are the locations of fibrocartilage? Intervertebral disc contain fibrocartilage material, seen here diagrammatic representation. This one is one vertebrae and this one is another vertebrae. So in between two vertebrae present intervertebral disc. So this intervertebral disc contain fibrocartilage material. Also pubic symphysis joint contain material fibrocartilage, seen here pelvic girdle, and the pelvic girdle consists of this one is pubic bone. This is also pubic bone. So both pubic bones are joined together to form a joint called as pubic symphysis. So such joint present fibrocartilage material. What are the characteristics of fibrocartilage? Number one, perichondrium is absent in fibrocartilage. Seen here diagrammatic representation. Perichondrium is not present in fibrocartilage. Second, matrix contain bundle of collagen fibers and chondrocytes. Seen here diagrammatic representation. These are the bundle of collagen fibers and these are the chondrocytes. Means matrix of the fibrocartilage contain bundle of collagen fibers, means white fibers, and chondrocytes. So these are the chondrocytes and collagen fibers seen in the matrix. It is most rigid cartilage. Always remember, it is most rigid cartilage Function of fibrocartilage to maintain position of vertebrae. To maintain position of vertebrae. Also to maintain pubic symphysis joint. This is the function of fibrocartilage, to maintain position of vertebrae as well as to maintain pubic symphysis joint. Up to this we detail discuss total 3 different cartilage, like first one is hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage and fibrocartilage. Now we learn fourth cartilage known as calcified cartilage. What are the location of calcified cartilage? Number 1, head of long bones show calcified cartilage. Senior femur is one of the longest and strongest bone of the human body. So this part is head of the femur. So head of the femur, calcified cartilage material. Also head of the humerus. So this is the head of the humerus, is also calcified cartilage. What are the characteristics of calcified cartilage? Number 1, this type of cartilage becomes rigid due to deposition of salt in the matrix. Due to deposition of salt in the matrix, this cartilage becomes rigid, and such a rigid cartilage present in head of the long bones like femur as well as humerus. What is the function of calcified cartilage? Reduce flexibility of the joint. Reduce flexibility of the joint in old age. This is the function of calcified cartilage. Up to this we detail discuss all 4 different types of cartilage, like hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, fibrocartilage and calcified cartilage. Hope that you understood everything. Now we learn bones is one of the supporting connective tissue or skeletal connective tissue. What is bone? It is one of the type of supporting connective tissue, show solid, hard, rigid nature, form endoskeleton of vertebrates. Such supporting connective tissue called as bone. What are the location of bones? You know, endoskeleton of the vertebrates contain bones. This is the endoskeleton of vertebrate, human endoskeleton. All these are the bones, like this femur bone. This one is humerus bone, radius ulna, tibia, fibula. Here finger bones, skull bone, vertebral column, ribs. All these are the different bones are joined one another to form endoskeleton. So bones are located endoskeleton of the vertebrates. What are the characteristic features of bones? Number 1, first, it is solid, hard and rigid tissue. It is solid, hard and rigid tissue. Second, the bones is characterized by hard matrix called as osine. bones is characterized by hard matrix called as osine. Osine is made up of mineral, salt, hydroxyapatite. Osine is made up of mineral, salt, hydroxyapatite. Outer top membrane of bones called as periosteum. Senior diagrammatic representation. Periosteum is outermost covering of bone. So this is the periosteum, is outermost covering of the bone. Bone matrix arranged concentric circles. Senior diagrammatic representation. Matrix of the bones seen concentric circles. Here also seen concentric circles. So such concentric circles are called as lamellae. And each lamellae contain fluid filled cavity called as lacunae. Seen here, each lamellae contain fluid filled cavity called as lacunae. So up to this we detail discuss total 6 characteristic features of the bones. Now we learn 7th characteristic feature. In lacunae of the bones, osteoblasts are present. Also active bone cells, osteocytes, inactive bone cells, osteoclasts are present in lacunae. Mammalian bone show peculiar characteristic feature presence of Haversian system. Mammalian bone show peculiar characteristic feature presence of Haversian system. Seen here, Haversian system. This one is Haversian system, and the Haversian system is specially for blood vessels and nerves. So labeled them, this part is Haversian system. Haversian canal encloses an artery, is one of the blood vessel, carry oxygenated blood. Vein is one of the blood vessel, carry deoxygenated blood. And nerves, always remember, Haversian canals encloses blood vessels. So this is the Haversian canal. This one is also Haversian canals. Such Haversian canal enclose blood vessels. This is the artery and vein. So artery, vein and nerves encloses by Haversian canal, and Haversian system is present in the bones, is one of the peculiar characteristic feature of mammalian bone. Up to this we detail discuss total 9 characteristic features. Now we learn on the basis of matrix, bones classified into 2 types, spongy bones and compact bones. On the basis of matrix, bones are classified into 2 types, spongy bones and compact bones. We learn difference between spongy bones and compact bones. First one is spongy bone. Seen here, this is the spongy bone part, and this one is compact bone part present in one of the bone structure. So this part is spongy bone and this part is compact bone. So what is different between spongy bone and compact bone? In spongy bones, matrix is web-like or net-like, seen here clearly. The matrix of spongy bone is web-like or net-like. Matrix of compact bone is hard and solid, seen here. This is the compact bone. Its matrix is very hard and solid. Now second differentiation between spongy bone and compact bone. Matrix of the spongy bone contain many spaces, seen here. Many spaces are seen in spongy bone. Matrix of the compact bone without space, means not any space seen in the compact bone. Third differentiation between spongy bone and compact bone. Spongy bone filled red bone marrow tissue. Compact bone filled with yellow marrow tissue. Point number 4, differentiation between spongy bone and compact bone. Spongy bone show absent Haversian system. Compact bone present Haversian system. So this is the main difference between spongy bone and compact bone. Here noted all these 4 differentiation between spongy bones and compact bones point. Up to this we detail discuss. Supporting connective tissue consists of cartilage and bones. Now we learn third main type of connective tissue called as fluid connective tissue. What is fluid connective tissue? In fluid connective tissue, blood and lymph are fluid connective tissue present in the body of an animal. Blood and lymph are fluid connective tissue present in the body of animal. Means blood and lymph are fluid connective tissue. What is different between blood and lymph? Blood is a fluid connective tissue, contain 55% plasma, 45% blood cells. What is lymph? Lymph is also fluid connective tissue. Colorless blood, absent RBC, platelets and some plasma protein. So this is the difference between blood and lymph. Blood is colored, red colored fluid. Lymph is colorless fluid. Blood contain 55% plasma, 45% blood cells. In that RBC, WBC and platelets are present. Lymph is also fluid connective tissue, contain colorless blood but absent RBC, platelets and some plasma proteins. So this is the difference between blood and lymph. This fluid connective tissue is detailed in 12th syllabus. So detail study 12th standard. Up to this we detail discuss connective tissue consists of 3 different types. Connective tissue proper, second supporting connective tissue, and third fluid connective tissue. A review today's topic. We learn in today's lecture supporting connective tissue, also called as skeletal tissue, further divided into two categories, cartilage and bones. There are four different cartilage: hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, fibrocartilage, and calcified cartilage. We discuss in today's lecture also blood and lymph. On the basis of today's lecture, some exercise question noted here. MCQ question number 1. The protein found in cartilage is osin, hemoglobin, chondrin, renin. Yes, the correct answer is chondrin protein present in cartilage. So correct option is C, chondrin. Second MCQ, which cartilage form the pubic symphysis? Hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, fibrocartilage, calcified cartilage. Yes, the correct answer is pubic symphysis joint contain fibrocartilage material. So correct option is C, fibrocartilage. A connective tissue in which the matrix made up of osin is called as cartilage, bone, ligament, tendon. Yes, the correct answer is connective tissue in which matrix made up of osin called as bone, means B, bone is correct option. Short answer question number 1. Which are the four types of cartilage based on type of matrix? Yes, hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, fibrocartilage, and calcified cartilage. Which type of bone filled red bone marrow tissue? Yes, spongy bone filled red bone marrow tissue. Difference between cartilage and bones? Yes, cartilage is flexible connective tissue, bones hard connective tissue. Which type of bone present Haversian system? Yes, compact bone present Haversian system. Haversian canal enclose and dash dash and nerves. Yes, Haversian canal encloses blood vessels like artery, blood vessels like veins, also nerves. Which type of cartilage present in intervertebral disc? Yes, fibrocartilage present in intervertebral disc. Function of hyaline cartilage? Yes, provide elasticity to the organ or provide elasticity to the tissue or the body. Up to this, today's lecture completed. Hope that you understood everything. If you like the video, then you can subscribe my YouTube Bioinfo channel. Tap the bell icon and like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.